The Alfa Romeo 4C is being replaced with the Alfa Romeo 4E, the next fully electric Spyder from the Alfa Romeo brand. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video where the Alfa Romeo 4E could be the name of the new electric roadster from the Italian brand, which will be presented in 2026 as the heir to its legendary Alfa Romeo 4C. Now, this is news reported by Autocar on their website, and I will link their article in the description below with their rendering, as you guys can see here on the channel. Now, with that said, Autocar had interviewed Alfa Romeo's product manager on the future of the brand. He declared there are some things about Alfa Romeo that we cannot give up. One is the Spyder. The other one is the love for cars. Now, he also said that we want to take them forward because that is the essence of our brand and this is our ideas. So let's see if we can turn it into a plan. Now, according to what was reported by Autocar, therefore, the car could be called the Alfa Romeo 4E to highlight that it will be an electric Spyder and to pay homage to the Alfa Romeo 4C, a very important car for Alfa Romeo, which was produced from 2013 to 2019. However, this has yet to be confirmed, as the model's name is typically declared very late in the development process, according to the product manager. So in short, it cannot be ruled out that in the end, this car could be called something totally different. How do you guys think about the name? The Alfa Romeo 4E could take part in Alfa Romeo's Bottega program, and therefore it should be an expensive and very limited edition car like the recent Alfa Romeo 33 Stradale, but I'm hoping that it's more for mass production. Now, the new car should draw numerous design elements from this car. In particular, I'm talking about the new shield grille for the 33, the elliptical shaped hood, the light signature, and the truncated tail regarding to its rear. Now, Alfa's product manager also confirmed that it will also take inspiration from the Pininfarina style of the 1960s Spyder Duetto, which featured a cam tail and prominent belt lines. The Biscione executive also said that this car will most likely use Stellantis' STLA medium platform. As for the performance, well, obviously we're way too far out to know that. It was said that some Alfa Romeo cars will receive up to 1,000 horsepower. So in the Alfa Romeo 4E, could that be one of them? Now, finally, Autocar has also revealed that Alfa Romeo will attempt to emulate elements of its combustion engine predecessors to the new Alfa Romeo 4E in a bid to emphasize its appeal. Now, the company is also exploring ways to differentiate the driving experience of an electric sports car from that of its traditional EV models. So can Alfa Romeo make electric sports cars fun? And can they make the 4E just as appealing as the 4C? Drop those comments down below. How you guys feeling about this one? I want to know. Now, with that said, if you guys did enjoy the video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And if you guys want to help further support the channel, check the links down in the description below. I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, and my Patreon, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate the love per usual, guys. Thank you so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rides merch and social media links down in the description below. And make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rides video. Peace.